The BYD Leopard 8 is a stunning combination of ruggedness and sophistication. The front grille is bold, featuring a futuristic LED light bar that seamlessly blends with the aggressive headlights. The muscular stance, sharp lines, and large alloy wheels give it a commanding road presence. And at the back, sleek taillights and a sporty diffuser complete its dynamic look. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the BYD Leopard 8 comes with a powerful hybrid or fully electric drivetrain, depending on the variant. It delivers exceptional horsepower and torque, ensuring a thrilling drive both on and off the road. With advanced all-wheel drive and multiple driving modes, this SUV is built to tackle any terrain effortlessly. Step inside, and you'll find a luxurious, tech-packed cabin. The BYD Leopard 8 features premium leather seats, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and a digital driver display with AI-powered controls. The ambient lighting and panoramic sunroof add to the premium feel, making every drive an experience.